down, please. Just 1 second. Yes, it's a win, guys. Tired of losing your money over and over, not understanding why? The answer is simple. You're lacking the right knowledge. Then this video is just what you need. I'm sharing my trades and revealing the secrets to achieving consistent profits in trading. So sit back, watch closely and take notes. But that's not all. I have a unique opportunity for my subscribers. On the Pocket Option platform, you can link your profile to my account. What does that mean? You'll be able to automatically copy all my trades and earn with me without diving deep into every strategy. In essence, it's passive income. I trade for profit and you earn consistently. So let's break down my best trades of the week. And let's move on the setup. First, switch the chart type to candles and time frame to 15 seconds. Okay, expiration time 1 minute and I'm investing 1000 per trade. Let's go to the indicator step. I will choose Bollinger Bands, Moving Average and RSI indicators. I recommend you copy these settings exactly, this is crucial. Okay. And let's add currency pair to our workspace. Let's see what happens on the chart and find something interesting. Okay, here's the first solid setup. Here I'm entering a long position and let me explain why. We are in upward trend and it's a strong one. The price has reached a dynamic support area created by moving averages. And to top it off, RSI is in a zone where prices almost always reverse to long. That's 3 reliable signals. Now let's wait for the outcome. We rely on the strategy and if we stick to the plan, the odds are in our favor. Drop your questions about the strategy in the comments if you have any questions. Okay, the price is moving as expected. Buyers are pushing up, which makes sense. Everything's on track and I'm excited. Okay, let's see 1 second. Yes! We are in the green. So nice, guys. Here's the second trade, going long again. See why? It's simple. First, we got another solid upward trend. Second, we got a bounce of the moving average course. And third, the RSI is showing oversold conditions. That means a long bounce is coming. Makes sense, right? I think this is one of the easiest and simplest strategies. But let's watch. The price isn't skyrocketing immediately, but I'm expecting a solid movement. Comment if this is a new strategy for you guys. Yes, this is a solid movement. Yes, make me richer, let's go. Don't let me down, please. Just 1 second. Yes, it's a win, guys. Very good, very good. Look, the conditions are still there. I'm entering another long position. You see, the setup for entry hasn't changed. So another trade here feels solid and just right. All signals still support price growth. This is really strong trend. I like it. And it's going to keep climbing. Don't miss this kind of opportunity. Let's see what happens. I'm expecting a great rise and a new high. Let's see, guys. Yeah, and once again we've got a D in, folks. Just look at the stats, simply amazing. Pocket option was plaguing a little bit, but we had a profit. And here's another great setup for a long trade. Going long again. Let's recap. RSI is still pushing up, we are bouncing off this moving average crossover, and of course we are in upward trend, so we are trading with it. Okay, let's see how the price is doing. No, how is it possible? What happens? Oh my god, 2 seconds? No, what the heck? You lost this. How? Oh my god, I bet it will be the only loss today. And here's another setup. I'm opening a double long trade. I'm totally confident in this setup and ready to increase the risk a little. The RSI is backing up our decision. And once again, we are trading in line with the main trend. It's all logical and by the book, right? This is final trade and I'm expecting a great move. Just one. Yes! Yes, the first one closed its profit. Please, come on, babe, don't let me down. One. Yes, the second one brings profit as well. Yes, that's enough for me today, guys. Take a look, it's so rewarding then the market, your knowledge and years of hard work all come together like this. I believe that those who watch my videos often will get results like this, or even better. And there's more, if you want real-time trading ideas, just message me directly. I can send you current setups so you can enter trades and make a profit quickly. Quick setup, quick profit. It's chance for every subscriber not only to learn but to start earning consistently. So friends, those were my best trades of the week. I hope you found valuable ideas and strategies. Remember, trading isn't always pure profit. There are losses too, but with the right strategy and patience, steady growth is possible. Thanks for your involvement and see you next time. Bye bye!